Hey there, I just wanted to make this quick video. If your iRobot Braava M6 Jet is not spraying water, and what you can do to actually fix this issue. It's super simple. So what you want to do is you need to run very warm water through the Braava to dissolve any residue. So heat the water in a microwave. So here you're gonna have the water tank. What you want to do is to take a glass, have a water there, just clean water, normal water, for 30 to 60 seconds. Then you want to pour that water into the tank and put the tank back into the Braava jet and let it run for 5 to 10 minutes. Just turn it on and be patient, as it may take some time to warm water to work. And now, even if after this the pump might be seized or broken, so then you have to dismantle it by watching other videos, and it may take several minutes for spray to start. So what you have to do is take the water tank out, then just take water from in a bottle or something, or in a glass. Put it to microwave for 60 seconds. You don't want to be hot, you just want to be warm. Then put it back into the water tank, and then put the water tank back to the iRobot Braava M6 Jet, and it should work. Thank you, have a great day, and goodbye.